If you are over 60, some supplements may be doing more harm than good. And the worst part is this. Many older adults take them every day, believing they are helping their heart, bones, memory, or energy. When in reality, these supplements may actually be increasing risk.
We are here to support you through every step of this process. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.
Without realizing how age, medications, and health can change the body's response.
Stay with me until the end. Supplement number 7 is most misunderstood. And it is one of the easiest to get wrong, with serious implications.
Let me tell you about Patricia. Patricia was 71 years old, disciplined and careful.
She was very proud of how seriously she took her health every single day.
She drank plenty of water and kept a neat pill organizer
On her kitchen counter. Every day, Patricia took her healthy extras.
These were her supplements. She thought she was protecting herself.
But when we reviewed everything she was taking, I saw a different story.
Not a story about health, but a story about hidden risks.
Patricia was not reckless. That is what makes this so important.
She was doing what millions of older adults do, reading labels, listening to friends.
But after 60, the body changes. Seemingly harmless supplements at 40.
These are 7 supplements older adults should be very careful with. The first supplement is iron. This often surprises people.
They think iron helps energy. Yes, if you truly have iron deficiency.
Patricia had started taking iron because she felt tired, with no testing or diagnosis. After 60, taking iron when you do not need it can cause trouble.
Excess iron can build up and create problems over time in some people.
Fatigue does not mean low iron. It can mean poor sleep.
It could be heart problems, depression, or something you can't fix with a random pill. Do not throw iron at tiredness like a fool. Test first, then decide. The second supplement is high-dose calcium. Let me be clear, calcium matters. Bone health matters. But more is not always better for everyone.
Patricia took large calcium doses daily, fearing osteoporosis, like many older women.
Too much calcium can contribute to constipation and increase kidney stone risk.
If you get enough calcium from food, large supplement doses may not be necessary.
People hear calcium is good for bones and stop thinking. Diet, kidney function, medications, and vitamin D status all matter. You protect them with strategy.
The third supplement is potassium. This one can be dangerous,
especially with kidney issues, heart conditions, or blood pressure medications.
Patricia wasn't taking potassium, but another patient used it for leg cramps.
Bad idea. Potassium sounds harmless until it is not. Very serious.
If potassium gets too high, it can affect the heart's rhythm. Older adults are more vulnerable if kidney function is reduced or with certain medications. This is not a game. Do not start potassium on your own. After 60, natural does not mean safe.
Sold without a prescription does not mean low risk.
Point you. The fourth supplement is ginkgo biloba. Many people take this for memory.
Older adults want to protect the brain, I understand. But ginkgo is not casual.
Why? Because it may increase bleeding risk in some people.
This matters even more if you are taking blood thinners, aspirin, or other clotting medications.
Patricia was taking ginkgo, worried about forgetfulness, but she didn't tell anyone.
People hide supplements like harmless snacks. They are not harmless. Once over 60, those little extras can interact with real medical issues unexpectedly. Memory fear should not push you into dangerous decisions. Not every brain product is kind. The fifth supplement is St. John's wort. This one is tricky for mood. People think it's a gentle, natural option, but it can interact with many medications.
This includes antidepressants, heart medications, blood thinners, and other common prescriptions.
Older adults often combine mood supplements with prescribed medicines without understanding risk.
A supplement changing medication handling is not mild, it's active. Active substances deserve respect.
After 60, polypharmacy is common. Adding interaction potential gets people into trouble.
Before number 6, stop. Ask yourself, do you know why you take every supplement?
Or are you just taking them because they sound healthy? That mindless stacking creates problems.
The sixth supplement is high-dose vitamin E. People take it for heart, skin, or aging.
But high doses can be a problem, especially with bleeding risk or clotting medications. This supplement seems innocent. Soft gel, simple label, big promises. But that's how the supplement world tricks people. The bottle looks gentle.
Patricia added vitamin E because a friend said it was good for staying young. That phrase should make you suspicious. Magic anti-aging shortcuts deserve a hard look.
After 60, your body needs careful decisions, not fantas. Don't take high-dose vitamin E.
The seventh supplement is vitamin A. This is the one many people misunderstand.
Vitamin A is essential, but high-dose supplements can become a problem long-term. Too much vitamin A may contribute to toxicity, affecting the liver and bone health. Harm happens when people think they're helping vision or immunity.
Patricia wasn't taking vitamin A separately, but used multiple products with overlapping ingredients.
A multivitamin, a skin supplement, an immune support formula. She was doubling up unknowingly.
That's how number 7 gets people. Not one giant pill, but stacking different products.
Many older adults take one supplement for bones, one for immunity, one for heart.
Then they take the same ingredients again under different labels.
That is not health. That is confusion in a plastic bottle.
When Patricia came to see me, she had constipation, fatigue, dizziness, and felt off.
She thought aging was catching up. But after review, the picture changed.
Some of her supplements were unnecessary, some overlapping, none reviewed in context.
That's the turning point many miss. They ask, is this supplement healthy?
But that's the wrong question. The better question is this.
Is this supplement appropriate for me at my age with my medications?
And at this dose? That is the adult question. That is the smart question. After 60, the body handles things differently. Kidney and liver function may change.
Medication use often increases, and the margin for error gets smaller. A minor supplement can interact with blood pressure medicine, worsen bleeding, or stress kidneys. It can also duplicate something you are already getting from food or another pill. Older adults should stop treating supplements like harmless decorations. They are substances.
And substances have effects, sometimes good, sometimes harmful, sometimes both.
I told Patricia not to panic, but to stop assuming natural means safe. We reviewed every bottle in her kitchen, every label, ingredient, and dose.
Then we asked 4 simple questions. Do you actually need this?
Are you taking too much? Could it interact with your medications?
Are you taking it for a real reason or just fear? That last question matters.
The supplement industry sells fear. Fear of aging, weakness, memory loss, disease.
Scared people buy too much. Disciplined people slow down and review.
That's what Patricia started doing. Her routine became smaller, safer, and much more rational. If you are over 60, here is what I want you to do.
First, gather every supplement you take. Not just what you remember.
Second, write why you take each one. If your reason is vague, that matters.
Third, look for overlap. Many older adults take the same vitamin unknowingly.
Fourth, review supplements with your doctor or pharmacist, especially with medications or kidney problems.
Finally, do not stop prescribed medicines because of a video. That is foolish.
This video is about awareness, not reckless self-treatment.
Now, let me say this clearly. If you develop chest pain, weakness, fainting, dizziness, black stools, confusion, unusual bleeding, irregular heartbeat, seek urgent medical care.
Do not sit at home acting brave while your body is telling you something is wrong. That is not strength. That is stupidity. Seek help immediately.
Patricia believed she was protecting her health. But good intentions are not enough. After 60, health is not about taking more. It's about taking what fits your body. The right supplement for one may harm another. Doses help some, but harm others. That's why older adults need to stop treating supplements like candy with health claims.
If you are over 60, be more careful. Be more specific. Be more disciplined.
A bottle on a shelf doesn't know your kidneys, medications, blood pressure, or heart.
If this video helped you, leave the word supplement in the comments.
And tell me which of these 7 surprised you most. Take care of yourself.
Because after 60, taking more is not always the same as taking better.